If you are planning to study at the University of Mpumalanga in 2027, this video will guide you through the complete online application process. We will cover when applications open and close, the application fee, admission requirements, how to calculate your APS score, required documents, how to apply online, residence, NSFAS, and how to track your application after submission. The University of Mpumalanga, also known as UMP, is a public university located in Mpumalanga province, with campuses in Mbombela and Siabuswa. The university offers undergraduate and postgraduate programs in areas such as agriculture, education, science, business, information technology, hospitality, and social sciences. For students applying for the 2027 academic year, it is important to apply early. Applications normally open from the beginning of June, and undergraduate applications close on 30 November 2026. Do not wait until the last few days, because you may experience problems uploading documents or completing payment. To apply online, you must use the official University of Mpumalanga application portal. The website is ienabler.ump.ac.za. Avoid using unofficial websites that ask you for personal information or payment. Always make sure you are applying through the official UMP Online Application system. Before starting your application, you should first check whether you meet the admission requirements for your chosen program. Every program has different requirements, so do not assume that meeting the minimum matric requirements automatically guarantees admission. One of the most important requirements universities use is your APS score, also known as the admission point score. Your APS is calculated using your grade 12 subject results. Each subject contributes points depending on your percentage, but life orientation is usually not included when calculating APS. For example, if you achieve 80 to 100% for a subject, that subject normally gives you 7 points. A result between 70 and 79% gives you 6 points. 60 to 69% gives you 5 points. And lower marks give fewer points. You add your best 6 recognized subjects to calculate your APS score. For example, if you have 75% for mathematics, 70% for English, 65% for physical sciences, 70% for geography, 80% for life sciences, and 60% for another subject, you would add the points from those subjects to get your APS score. Always check the specific program requirements, because some courses also require specific subjects. Before applying, download the UMP prospectus and check the requirements for your chosen qualification. For example, a Bachelor of Science program may require mathematics and physical sciences, while an education program may have different subject requirements. The application fee for University of Mpumalanga is currently 200 Rand for South African applicants. This fee must be paid during the application process, and your application will only be processed after payment has been received. Make sure you keep your proof of payment after completing the transaction. When preparing your application, make sure you have all the required documents available. South African applicants normally need a certified copy of their ID document, grade 11 final results if they are currently in grade 12, or a matric certificate if they have already completed school. If you are transferring from another university, you may need to provide your academic transcript and other supporting documents. International applicants must provide passport documents and any additional documents required by the university. It is recommended that you scan your documents clearly before starting your application. Make sure names, dates, and identification numbers are visible. Poor quality uploads can delay your application because the university may request that documents are uploaded again. To start your application, visit ienabler.ump.ac.za and select the option to apply online. You will first create your profile by entering your personal details and contact information. Use an email address and cell phone number that you check regularly because UMP will use these details to communicate with you. After creating your profile, complete your personal information section. This includes your identification details, address, and other required information. Make sure everything is correct before moving to the next step, because incorrect details can cause problems later. The next step is entering your academic information. If you are currently in grade 12, enter your grade 11 results as requested. If you have already completed matric, enter your matric details and upload your certificate where required. After entering your academic information, you can select your program choices. Choose carefully because your selection determines which qualifications UMP will consider you for. Make sure you meet the requirements before selecting a program. Once your choices are completed, upload all required supporting documents. Check that every required document has been uploaded successfully before submitting your application. After reviewing all your information, submit your application. Save your confirmation page or application reference number. This information is important because you will need it when contacting the university or checking your application status. After applying, you should regularly check your application status through the UMP Online Application Portal. Log in using your details and check whether your application is complete or whether the university has requested additional documents. If you require university accommodation, make sure you apply for residence as early as possible.
Residence spaces are limited, and submitting a university application does not always automatically guarantee accommodation.
Follow UMP's residence application instructions carefully. Students who need financial assistance should also apply for NSFAS separately. Your NSFAS application and your university application are two different processes. Do not wait for NSFAS approval before applying to UMP, because admission applications and funding applications are handled separately.
Some common mistakes students make include applying late,
selecting programs without checking requirements, uploading unclear documents, and using incorrect contact details. Take your time when completing your application because small mistakes can delay the admission process. If you experience problems with your application, contact the University of Mpumalanga directly through their official channels. Keep your application reference number ready when asking for assistance, because this allows the admissions team to find your application faster. Remember, applying early gives you enough time to fix mistakes, upload missing documents, and receive assistance if something goes wrong. Do not wait until the closing date to start your application. That is the complete University of Mpumalanga online application guide for 2027. Follow each step carefully. Check your program requirements, prepare your documents, and submit your application before the deadline. Good luck with your application and your future studies at UMP.